Hello everyone, in this video we are going to show you how to instantly download your important reports right from your WhatsApp. You will learn how to access trade reports, financial reports and depository reports. Step 1. Open Navia's reports bot. Open the Navia app, log in and go to the account page. Click on reports bot section. Now you will be directed to reports bot in WhatsApp. Now to begin, simply send a message saying hi. The bot will respond with 3 options to choose from: trading reports, financial reports, deposit reports. Step 2. Choose the report you need. Now select the report type that best fits your requirements. Option 1. Trading reports. If you want to access your trading reports, select trading reports. The bot will show you a list of available options. Trade register. List of trades entered by you on a specific date. Net positions. Shows your current positions in various segments. Contract notes. Access digitally signed contract notes for your last 5 trades or more. Return to main menu. Go back to the main menu if you want to explore other reports. Example, if you select contract note, the bot will ask you to choose the date for which you need the contract note. You can either select a date from the available options or set a custom date. Once you enter and send the date, you will receive your contract note in PDF format instantly. Option 2. Financial reports. If you are looking for financial details, select financial reports. You will now see the following options. Ledger shows details of all financial transactions related to your trades and payments. Last 5 receipts and payments. Get a list of the last 5 payments made or received by you. Portfolio reports provides an analysis of your current holdings at current market rates. Capital gain or loss report shows the taxable profit earned or losses incurred on your sales. Return to main menu. Go back to the main menu if needed. Example, if you choose last 5 receipts and payments, the bot will instantly send you a detailed summary via text message. If you need more reports, simply click on the More Reports to explore additional options. Option 3. Depository Reports. To access your depository details, select Depository Reports. The bot will provide the following options. DP Holdings, a list of your current stocks and mutual funds. DP Transactions, details of asset movements in your DP account over a specified period. DP Ledger, a list of financial entries including bills and payments. DP Billing, view all DP related billing information. DP Client Master, details of your account's client master. Example, if you choose DP Holdings, the bot will instantly send you a document containing your DP Holdings UCC with all the necessary details. Step 3. Accessing additional information. If you need to go back or explore another report, simply click on Return to Main menu. You can then select any other categories and follow the same easy process. Try using Navia's report bot today. Happy trading with Navia.